Hey guys, today we're gonna make slime. Yay! Okay, we're gonna make, but not any kind of slime. We're gonna make no glue slime. What you will need is shampoo, a cup, a thing to mix with, salt, food coloring if you want, and a spoon, 4.5 teaspoon. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put the shampoo in. Yeah. Ooh. Don't take too many. And okay. Oh my gosh, that's so many. That's good. That's good. Okay. And then you're just gonna wanna mix it up. Here you go, AJ. Thank you. Just mix it up a little bit. And then take your salt. Yes. And pour it into your 4.5 teaspoons. Oh my god, that's so yummy. And then it's so yummy. Yeah. And then just shake it, but don't dump it. Just shake it. Yeah. Okay. And then you want to mix it. Come on, AJ, mix it. Okay. It's gonna be okay. And then we're gonna wanna it should look a little like it's coming together a little bit. Yeah, it looks like putty. It's putty. Yeah, it looks like it. Okay, so we're gonna keep mixing it for a kind of a while. Come on, AJ, mix it with me. Okay, mix it really fast. Really fast. Okay. Okay. So then we're gonna put it in the fridge for about 5 minutes. Okay. See you later. Tick tock, 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 tick tock. Hurry up, timer! Right? Hurry up. Hurry up. Come on. 5 minutes later. All right, we're back. We're gonna see how good it is, okay? Come on, let's mix it up, AJ. Okay. Ooh, it's getting good. Yeah. Here, AJ, I want you to take. Look at this, guys. Yeah. Oh my gosh, it's getting good, right, guys? All right, you could add some food coloring. Now's the time you could add food. Get out of there, Dad. That's my dad. Yeah. Okay, so it should be it's not that stretchy. So that means you need to add a teensy bit more salt. Okay. So make sure you don't add it like. Yeah, that's gonna explode. Don't add it like this. Yeah, that's gonna explode. Have your knife. Yeah, knife. Oh no. 1.4 teaspoon. Yeah, teaspoon. And sorry I got that wrong later, but it should be like that big or something. Yeah. Oh! Oh! It's okay, we can clean it up. Okay. Oh my gosh, Mia did a ton. He does a ton, Mia. Okay. Remember, always clean up when you make a mess. Yeah, this is good thing my dad didn't see that. AJ, don't! It's messy. We're making it worse, okay? And now mix it. Wait. AJ, mix it with me. Okay. Thanks, it's not squishy. Okay, except faster! All right, so, oh my gosh, take this out. And then I'm gonna take some. Here, wait, stop. I'm gonna actually put that. I can do this. I can do it too. Okay, and then we gotta, what do? Mix it really fast. Yeah. Mix, 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 mix.
Yeah.
Mix, mix. Okay, so it should
Yeah.
get along. And just add a teensy bit more. Okay, just one tiny squirt. Ow, I bumped my head. AJ, you bumped your head too.
No.
Ow! Stop doing that, guys. Okay, I think we need to go like this. AJ, go like that.
Like this, Mia.
Ow!
Like this.
Okay. Yeah, like
Ow!
yeah, like that. It's okay, Jay. It's gone. Okay, let's mix it as fast as we can. Okay, and get a teensy bit more flour.
Don't take too many.
Okay, we can clean it up.
Yeah.
I know you guys are seeing the big mess we have. Look at it, guys. So huge.
It's like a volcano.
But we will clean it. It's like a volcano.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Here we go. Mixy, mixy. Let's sing the mix song. Mixy, mixy, mixy. Mixy, mixy, mixy.
Mia, the waffle song.
Mixy, mixy,
No,
mixy.
no, the waffle song.
I know.
Waffle, waffle,
Okay,
waffle.
now we're gonna
waffle,
stop and
waffle,
see if it's
waffle.
good. Oh,
Woo!
it actually is kind of working.
Yeah.
All right. I hope you guys are enjoying playing with your slime.
Slime.
So, goodbye. I'm gonna press the tiny red
Okay,
button.
go.